Sometimes life can get so overwhelming, and even a simple task, or maybe it's not even a simple task, but like cleaning out a drawer, decluttering a drawer, it can make things seem so much more overwhelming. And although it's not an end-all be-all that you have to clean out a drawer, it's just something that's hanging over your head. So I started this series one drawer at a time to show you that if you have just a few minutes, sometimes maybe even more than a few minutes to do one drawer, you can clean out one drawer, and then another day you can move to another drawer. You don't have to do it all at once, because sometimes I think that gets really frustrating when we think we have to do something all at one time. And so for the last few weeks, I've been doing one drawer at a time. My main reason for doing this, I will say, was we were in the midst of renovations, and my bedroom was about the only room I could get into to film. And I had to either like stop doing videos for a while, or I could do this one drawer at a time series. And so I decided to do that. With that being said, I am ready to finish this little series up for now. I may come back to it eventually. So I'm going to finish it out today just because I do not have a ton left to do. Actually, we're going to do my pajama drawer together. Then I'm going to do my tank top drawer. I'll probably do that with you guys as well. Then I'm going to do a couple of other drawers and just kind of show you some quick before and afters. And then next week, like now I actually have a home that I can film in. So next week, I'm just going to do something a little bit different. But I do want to take just a moment to welcome you to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior. I love organizing, decluttering, doing all things homemaking. And if you are new, I would love to have you join my growing YouTube family. It is completely free. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button and you'll receive a notification each and every time that I post. I have lots of fun videos planned that are coming up in the near future. Also, I want to say that this video is a collaboration and take just a moment to celebrate because my sweet friend Sunday Dawn is officially back today from hiatus. So that means that she is putting our tiny tidy playlist together. So I'm going to link her channel, The Helpful Home, along with today's tiny tidy motivation playlist in my description box below. I would love for you to check out Sunday's channel along with the rest of the tiny tidy team, see what everybody is up to today. So I'm just going to kind of show you everything that I'm doing and we will get busy. Okay, so this is the drawer that we are going to begin with today. This is my pajama drawer. Everything is folded nice and neat, so I really just need to take everything out. I have one pair that I need to declutter because I do have this extra pair here, so I need to find a pair to declutter and then put everything back.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world off.
So I just want to show you how this drawer turned out. Most of you guys know, if you've watched my channel before, that I color coordinate everything. So I normally do lightest to darkest, darkest to lightest, and I always have the same colors together. However, I break that rule in my pajama drawer just because I put the ones that I wear most frequently up front, and sometimes that changes depending upon the season. And to store my pajamas, I just put the tops and the bottoms together and I fold them nice and neatly and I just tuck them in like this. So again, this is the only drawer that I do break that color sorting rule in, and that is just to make life easier for me. Lately, I am navigating toward these two and this pair and this pair, so I just have it in the front so it's easier to grab out. Okay, so this is the tank top drawer. I have just a lot of my tank tops in here. I do need to refold these, so I will be taking all of these out, putting them on the bed, sorting through them, deciding which ones I can declutter and let go of, and then folding them nice and neatly and putting them all back in here.
Fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
Actually decluttering this one, but I did want to show you guys how I fold my tank tops in case you are interested. So basically I just lay it out flat like this. Okay, and then I just take the top of it and I bring it down, kind of fold it over, and then I fold halfway in like that, and then I fold the rest of the half until those two meet, and then I'm just going to take it and I'm going to roll it up. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, and it's done. Or with some of them I go 1, 2, 3, and it's done. And then it just sits in the drawer like this. Obviously I'm decluttering this one because it has seen some wear and tear, but then it just sits down in the drawer like this, so you can just grab it and go.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's sad?
So I was just quickly going to show you, this is what it looks like. I go brown, black, gray. I have more gray here, a lighter gray, and then white. Some of these do stick up just a little bit more because they have that shelf in them. You know how some tank tops have like a little shelf, and then some lay down more, but that's okay because I can still see them all. So that's what it looks like now.
What's it like to be the one that...
I just want to show you guys all of the stuff that I decluttered today, and I was trying on sports bras to see which ones I wanted to declutter, and so my hair is all over the place, but I did declutter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I decluttered 8 sports bras or bras. So that's 8. I decluttered this tank top, which is 9. This tank top, which is 10. This tank top, which is 11. This blue tank top, which makes 12. And I actually decluttered 31 pair of underwear, but we're friends, but we're not that good of friends, so I'm going to keep that off camera. So 31 plus 12 would be 40. See, 31 plus 12. I was an elementary school teacher. 31 plus 12 would be 43. So 43 items so far. And then this will make 44. Well, 44 and 45. So we'll call it 45 items. This one was really hard, a hard item for me to declutter. This is like a lounge set. It was in my pajama drawer. And my really good friends, Tracy and Courtney and Leanne, and we actually all met on YouTube a long time ago. And when I was having a surgery, they actually sent these to me, and they were so comfortable, and I wore them all the time after my surgery. But I need to go ahead and declutter those. But I am so grateful for the friendships that I made with those 3 ladies, and I still have the memories of them. And I did take a picture whenever they sent them to me to tell them that I got them. So I do have a picture of them, but I think that someone else will love them. So I am going to go ahead and let these go. So all in all, 45 items, and it feels really good. Again, I've said in past videos that my goal is not to be a minimalist. I want to be more minimal, but I don't want to have like, let's say, if we're talking about pajamas, I don't want just like 2 pair. And I want enough that I think I have like 10 pair now. And that's a good amount for me. I know it's a little too many. I know it's like I know it's too many. Let's just be honest. It's too many. But I have some variety, and, depending on what the temperature is, I've got some that are shorter and some that are longer, and I feel good with that amount. And so now I'm down to that drawer where I have a 1 in, 1 out policy. So I just want to be more minimal, but not a complete and total minimalist. And I think that that is a lofty goal for anyone to aspire to. Or, you know what? If you want to be a maximalist, that's okay too. Someone asked me when I was doing this series how often I clean out my drawers, because I know a couple of drawers I just took things out, wiped it down, put a fresh drawer freshener in there, and then put everything back. I typically myself do this about twice a year, sometimes a little more, just depending. However, you can do however much you want to do or however little you want to do. When I talk about 1 drawer at a time and breaking it down into small, simple tasks, you might have a drawer that is completely overwhelming. Maybe there's like I had a whole drawer today of just tank tops. And I had a whole drawer of just pajamas, but you might have a whole drawer with pajamas, shirts, to all kinds of things mixed in, and you don't know where to start. Just set aside just a little bit of time and just start somewhere. Even if you just open up that drawer and take the things out and sort them according to, okay, let's put all the t-shirts together. Let's put all the pajamas together. Let's put all of this together. And just set aside small increments of time to do that. That's okay. That works. If you want to just refold it, make it nice and neat, keep it all in the same drawer, that's completely up to you. I choose to separate my stuff. I'm a little extra because I separate in color code. And again, that's extra, but I am at that. That's just how I like to live. I like to live with my drawers nice and neat and tidy on the inside, even though nobody sees it. And I could just throw things in there and close it up and be done. I like to have things nice and neat. And that's a personal thing for me. And I don't think that is for everybody, and if it's not for you, that's completely okay. Just do the best that you can do. And just, you know, if you just want to take out 10 items in a drawer and go look at those 10 items and see, like, does it have, like with this tank top had some wear and tear? Does it have wear and tear? Should I just go ahead and donate it? Is it something I just don't wear anymore? Is it something I forgot I had? And just make those decisions and declutter a little bit. Or if you don't want to declutter it, just fold it and put it back nice and neat. And that way you are accomplishing something, even if it is small. Again, if you have high energy and you want to just set aside a couple of hours, do all the drawers in your bedroom if you want to, or do all the drawers in your house, however you want to do it. I chose to break it down one drawer at a time, and I did not do any of the drawers on camera that do not belong to me, but I really enjoyed doing this. I enjoyed showing how you can just set aside a little bit of time and do one drawer. And I want to remind you guys to check out Sunday Dawn's channel along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist down in my description box below. And Lily, I know she has helped like every video of the series, but she is currently at the groomer. She should be finished in just a few minutes. So when they get back from the groomer, I might let them say hello to you. But she was not here for this part, which is probably why I went ahead and just finished up. But honestly, I'm ready to move on because our renovations are finished and complete, and I have more of a house to work in and do tiny tidies in. And I am going to be picking back up on my renovation diary series, and I have lots of decluttering motivation. I've got a closet video. I just have tons of stuff that I need to edit. So with all of that being said, remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. You want to say hello? You want to say hello? You want to say hello, Molly? Did you guys have fun at the groomer? Did you have fun getting a spa day? You did. Molly had fun. Lily, did you have fun? Did you have fun?
That he comes to when he wants to dance.